guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today it's a different video. We have an exciting unboxing. We have 3 ETBs right now. We have a Champions Path Elite Trainer box, a Shining Fates Elite Trainer box, and another ETB from Champions Path. But straight off the bat, my cousin Junior, which he unboxed another unboxing with me. That's my brother Georgie, the one that came out when
this is the Shining Fates?
Yeah. His is the Shining Fates and mine is this one right here. I'm gonna be letting my little brother I'm gonna be letting my little brother open one pack because he did not get an ETB. Because he got a theme deck. Yeah, he got a theme deck. He thought it was gonna come with booster packs and stuff. He literally had a chance, but okay, let's start unboxing, guys.
Still sealed.
Oh yeah, all of them are still sealed.
In the plastic wrappers from the company. Show them all of them.
Yeah.
They're all sealed.
Sealed.
Show the sides. You gotta show the side because.
Okay, guys.
Let's get it.
Yeah,
Who's opening first?
Not all of us.
Yeah, just unwrap it.
Okay.
I'm using a plastic knife. I don't know. Okay. Oh, it feels so bad, like just opening it.
Because they lost the word.
Yep.
Okay, guys.
Me and my cousin opened ours.
Yeah, hold on. I promise you guys we did not look. I'm still unsealing.
We did not.
Okay, guys. There is the word.
That's a better ankle now.
Okay, guys. Let's get it open. Oh.
How do you open it?
Just slide it. Okay, guys. Hold on. Before we let
Whoa, I like this box.
Look at this, guys. Hold on.
I'm showing the inside of the box.
Okay, let's check what we could pull out. Really
Look at inside the box.
We could pull out a Lucario V, a Dreadnought V, a lot of really good ones. Bless you.
Oh, it comes with a player's guide with all the cards.
I know. Rainbow
Look at that Charizard.
The Charizard VMAX.
The shiny one right here.
They call him
Guys,
with a manual book, like a player's guide.
Yeah. Okay, guys. That is a little bit worth. Okay, guys, ready? Can you pull out Charizard? Ready, guys? Here.
Yeah.
Let's unbox it. Ready?
Oh.
What? Okay.
Oh.
So we take out this little plastic.
Well, look at trading.
Oh yeah, by the way, my dad bought me
Are you
this.
allergic to something around here?
My dad bought me this. Thank you, Dad.
I don't know.
So here's a player's guide right there. Booster packs.
Booster packs.
These are all
Shiny
the booster
Fates.
packs we're gonna open.
What's it?
As you guys, okay, so
These are Champions packs.
that's how you can tell we're not lying to you guys because they're all sealed, as you guys can see.
Oh, this one's banned, but sealed. Promo. I'm keeping the sealed.
All promos are like that.
Sealed. But yeah, guys, sealed.
Oh, can I show them my promo?
Yeah. We're basically have the same thing because it's Shining Fates.
My EV VMAX.
Look at that.
My promo.
Charizard.
Look at that, guys. And then we have so much booster packs.
Look at the sleeves that it comes with.
We gotta make sure it comes with them.
Comes
1,
with
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 booster packs. Let's put that aside, guys. We have a fat stack of energies right there, guys. We have dividers. Dividers.
We should open our sleeves.
Hold on, guys.
So all dividers.
Sleeves.
Wait, what are those?
Dividers.
A free code card.
I think.
Give them the free code. No,
Oh, yeah.
not the sleeves. They think they're dividers.
If you guys want the free code card,
Code card.
You guys should open your sleeves in case you guys get some good pulls.
Edit it in mirror side.
Okay, let me pull back all this stuff. Let's get ready.
You guys want my code card? Here it is. Charizard Champions Path Elite Trainer Box code card for
Mine
free.
was the EV.
White. Just straight off the bat, really nice sleeves. We're gonna.
Oh, what are these? What are these? Hey,
EV sleeves.
Huh? Oh, dividers.
Oh, dividers. For you don't have to go.
Because you know how you're gonna put your cards here, for you could make sure like.
Like it's
Okay, guys, we're keeping some sleeves out just in case we got a good pull. Okay, guys, first pack magic.
the dices. And
let's get it, guys. You guys want to open the pack? Okay.
So guys,
let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna open mine first. These are really hard to open. I don't know. I'm gonna open it.
Oh my god, I'm shaking. Georgie, bro.
We never fought.
I want a Shining Fates Elite Trainer box.
so guys,
Oh my god, I opened it.
we got 10, of course.
A few inches later.
Okay, guys, opening it. Okay.
You want my code card?
I know it doesn't count.
How much is it for?
Yeah, 4 by the back.
4 by the back, guys.
If you guys didn't know.
Good, guys. Fighting energy, guys. This sounds weird just saying that. Oh, that's the worst card I already got. Good. Weedle, Kakuna, Carvana. Oh, pretty good. Okay, we pulled out a Hatrin and a Zygarde holographic.
Oh! Dreadnought V.
Oh, first
We got a
pack.
Dreadnought V.
Magic, guys. For Junior. What? Okay,
Just leave it in the Charizard.
leave it, guys. Okay, so far we're doing pretty good, I guess.
Yeah.
Each package contained a
What
hollow
did you get, Georgie?
and a reverse or something better.
You got a 7.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got a Dreadnought V Max.
A Celebi.
Okay,
And a
code
reverse.
card, guys. Sorry about
Spin arc? Or that's what you said? Spin arc?
code card right there, guys.
And a reverse spin
And
arc.
then code
Oh,
card
should I
right
give
there.
them my code card?
Give me the code card, boy.
Then go. Hold on. Go get yourself some free Pokemon. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
In his channel, he always gives away the free code cards.
Yeah, just make
So
sure.
if you guys want free code cards, just go to just subscribe so you guys could get free code cards.
Guys, by the way, we cannot do an expression, okay? I did not tell you guys this in the beginning. We cannot do a loud noise because we're literally in Las Vegas and our
We're no.
apartment.
Yeah. Or
Code card?
Code card?
1,
Hold on, Jacob.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Sorry about the background noise, just saying.
Fire energy.
Hold on, stop. Guys, sorry about that.
I barely opened this Champions Path.
I believe in this one.
Oh, God.
Oh!
Oh, we're not supposed to make an impression, but okay,
Already-
just leave that. Just leave that.
Already lost.
Look at that second pack magic, guys. Jacob, you can open yours.
I don't know how to say that. I don't. But
Oh! Rainbow Rare! Rainbow Rare! Oh my god!
Oh,
2 in a row!
what the hell?
guys.
No cussing.
Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I'm putting all my good cards right there.
Jacob, be careful with it. I'm scared with my little brother because he gets that free Pokemon.
Jacob, look what I pulled right now.
I know, rainbow rare.
Ooh!
That's crazy.
Be careful with it. Okay, guys, this is our
Okay,
pull
next
so far. VIP pass right now, guys. Let's get it, guys. 4-pack magic. Let's get it. Okay, guys. Why is it like that?
They
Okay.
all have that. 1, 2.
A reverse energy and a carnivore.
Oh, Carnivore V.
Oh, guys, let's go. We got a good pull right there, guys.
Absolutely.
Oh, that is so perfect, guys. This is my first ever reverse energy. Is it? Oh, you go keep those. Okay, guys.
Ooh, I got a
A
hollow.
hollow.
Okay.
You always come with at least a hollow.
Guys,
Yeah.
let's just pray to God that
got a
we
hollow
pull
too.
out that shiny
Well, let me see the hollow. What are you
Charizard.
doing,
Yeah.
Guys.
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, I forgot to give you guys the code
Oh
card.
yeah, guys, I'm
Here's
so
the code
sorry.
card.
We're forgetting. Like,
Just because we're so happy right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
We never opened this much packs before.
Because we like basically Pokemon's going wild right now, and yeah, we're just found some in Las Vegas, so we're lucky about that, I guess. Guys, let's see if we could get a same pack magic. I'm a chop, guys. Let's get it, guys.
Oh! Oh!
Eternus
Oh
V
my
secret
God.
rare, guys.
That's a secret rare.
What? Oh, I got
Wait.
the hollow.
Look at-
Guys,
Yeah, hold on.
is that a secret rare? I don't know.
Lucky,
I want one.
Whoa.
Okay, guys.
That was pretty
I think
good.
this is
pull.
us.
That was a good pull.
I know.
Pretty good
All
pull.
right.
This could be
Fifth pack.
us.
So
I was
this
singing on my
is
head.
what
I'm
we
not
say.
lying. I am not singing that.
Oh, look at this Vulpix.
Oh yeah, I know. Literally, guys, we're doing good right now. Guys, we're on to the pack. Sorry, guys, we're doing a lot of cuts with my family members that keep coming in. But I'm really sorry about that, guys.
Code card.
Right there,
Got
guys.
another code card right
Code
there.
card.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, lightning energy.
4.
Another Sharpedo. I could tell I'm just gonna get a holler or something.
3, 4.
Another Machop, guys.
I'm not gonna.
Oh, Machop holographic, guys. I already have this one so bad. Look at it. I got it.
Viper.
Oh.
Guys, I got another one.
I don't know how to say
that
this.
one's pretty
You guys know how to say this? I just got a reverse, Datris, and a reverse, hollow.
And there's
This, whatever. I don't know how you call it.
Okay, guys. 4 more packs left.
Can I have a pack of you?
No.
Okay.
What are you doing? Let me open the pack and I pull out a Charizard.
Okay. I just hope this one's.
1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4.
Okay, we're stocked up on cards right now. Oh, code card.
Code card.
Oh, go show them close. Let me see.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh,
A V.
A V.
What V?
Okay.
simple V,
Can I
guys.
have that?
A V.
4, 2.
And a float Zell. Whatever. A reverse. I think I'll give you this one. Yeah? I know.
What the heck? This one is loaded with another Machamp holographic and a reverse energy.
Oh, Machop.
Oh yeah, I know. I had like a lot of them. I'm not sleeving them up.
Use my chop. Look at my chop.
Guys, I'm kind of scared.
Ooh, energy. Look at that. A reverse energy.
Which one?
And
I got that.
Code
I
card.
like Emerald Hollow.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I feel like I opened every good card already.
Okay, guys.
I'm not jinxing it though. I'm gonna still get a lot of good cards from these packs.
Rope and a holographic indie. I don't know. Yeah, indie, whatever.
Code card.
Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Show them the
guys.
code card.
Wait. Code
So
card.
guys, we
A lot of
have.
code cards in.
I have 3 more packs left. How much you guys have?
I have 2 more.
Oh, okay. How much you have?
3, 1.
3 more. Okay,
Okay, guys.
okay.
These 2.
I gotta feel lucky.
Okay, at least we pulled out we pulled out 2 Vs.
I'm gonna do the Charizard.
So far my brothers, my cousin are doing hella good. I mean, super good.
Code card.
Ooh, a V.
Oh wait.
Ooh,
Oh,
Elder
wait, let me see
Goss. Okay, guys, we're just
Okay.
gonna dump right into it. Right there.
But I'm kind of sad because I have 3 more packs and I really want the Charizard. I don't care about these
Another
other
one, guys. We just got a B drill.
cards. Oh, man.
And another V.
Oh my!
I got another
God.
V.
Let me see. Ooh, a Cinderace V.
Yeah, Cinderace V.
Guys, this is our last pack.
I'm doing good right now, guys.
I'm kind of scared.
And
Okay,
a reverse.
last pack magic.
Rest is just trash. Common.
Okay, guys, this is my last pack. Okay. Last pack for me, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Oh, I was gonna throw this away.
Give them the
Code card.
Code card. Oh, sorry. Code card for your friend.
Olive Cream VMAX, guys.
Oh, a V Max. For you, I mean.
Oh. Guys, we got photo VMAX. I'm trying not to make a expression.
And a holographic
screaming.
score bunny.
That was my last
My phone
pull.
died.
Holographic score bunny.
Okay, guys, that was our last pull.
Ooh,
Let's.
this-